On the first of every month, you get a daily workout to be done daily. Okay, you can skip Sundays. So we're going to do the daily, and the daily for the RollerSizeR Fit Club. This workout should take about 3 to 4 minutes, and you do it in the morning in your kitchen with a cup of coffee. It's going to be 20 tricep push-aways, 10 shoulder straps, 2 chin chest ups, 10 tick, tock, tush, and 6 side fencer slingshot. Hands are close together, up on the toes. Keep your arms really close to the body. So I'm going down, my chest is touching the knuckles of my hand, and then I completely stretch my arms. Just starting out, you can start out with 5 or 10. The next one is the 10 shoulder strap. What that means, I'm going to use my fingers this way on the 2 balls. And then I'm going to put one of the balls of the RollerSizeR right on my shoulder, there. And then this hand rotates right there. It feels really good on the back. It's great for the posture. After the 10 shoulder straps, your shoulders are loosened up, you're going to do the chin chest up for those of you who are text necking, and for those of you who are 20 and starting to already get a wrinkled neck like us older gals. Put the RollerSizeR behind the neck. You can cross your foot in front, and then you're going to take the chin up and the chest up and the balls up. And that's just such a nice upper back stretch. Okay, then it's tick tock tush. RollerSizeR goes behind, right by the tushy. The pendulum, tick tock. And here's the tushy, tick tock. And that really opens up the shoulders, pulls the shoulders back for rotation. And then the last one in the kitchen before we go to the floor is this 6 side fencer slingshot. You want your legs really, really wide, and then I'm going to take a lunge. And I'm going to stretch, and then I'm going to glide on over, pull. Getting a little stretch on the inside thighs, and those scapulas and shoulders are getting a nice warm up. Okay, now we're going to go to the floor. All right, so everyone has an exercise mat in their kitchen because they're totally into working out on a regular basis and they're just neurotic. We're going to do fast waist whittles. Underneath the waist, arms out to the side, and I'm going to do fast waist whittles. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'm going to move the RollerSizeR down to the glutes. I'm going to whittle to the right. I'm going to lift up, put it back down, lift up, put it back down, lift up, put it back down. Make sure that the RollerSizeR stays underneath the glutes. After the whittle ups, now you're going to do 6 curl up throw ups. I probably won't be able to do this, but at the end of the month I will. I put on the RollerSizeR behind my neck because it's kind of like an ab roller, but the ab roller is metal and doesn't fit in my purse. I curl up, wow, throw up, roll down, iron out the gut, and throw it back. Up, throw up, iron out all the little wrinkles and the rolls. Whoop! By putting the RollerSizeR underneath your knees, and then you bring the balls to the chest and you give yourself a hug. After giving yourself a hug, you're going to do the boat biceps. There's the bicep, and here's the boat. It's like kind of a yoga thing. Boat biceps. 6. And the other reason I like this hamstring stretch is my arms have just done the biceps, and so I can stretch my arms. So there's my nice hamstring stretch. After the hamstring stretch, chicken thighs. Put the RollerSizeR underneath the tushy. Feet together. You rotate and let the thighs open out so that everything is nice and stretched. And then you put the RollerSizeR underneath the waistline, and feels so good. How do you get off your RollerSizeR? You roll off of it and you start your day. The RollerSizeR can be made in custom fabrics, so your workouts can be custom to you. Enjoy the daily. Purchase your RollerSizeR, and let's start working out and getting fit faster.